What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm actually going through old footage and I found this from 3 or 4 months ago in lockdown when I had an absolute awful barnet. So, excuse that. But yeah, I forgot to film an intro and an outro, so filming one now on editing in my bed. So yeah, check out the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's take it away. Right, so taking a look at the rear end of the MX-5. I need to take off that Forever Rally sticker. Those lights need changing and those wing mounts I'm not a fan of anymore. That diffuser will obviously sit there, and then we'll have the 2 exhausts on show as well, or 2 exhaust pipes. Walking round, so we've got quite a lot to do. I mean, if we go around to the engine bay, so as you can see, it's looking pretty good. It does need a bit of a clean. But yeah, on the whole, it's looking pretty nice. I mean, yeah, loads of work to do still, but yeah, as you can see, loads of dust, and more dust. I am tempted to restore some of this down here. Now, I don't really want to take it all off yet, but I don't know. It's rather tempting whilst all of the cars are parked to take that off. I just need to think of a way how to prop up the car then. I don't know, if I take off the whole front end. Yeah, I don't know. I might sand it down and just give it a lick of paint as it is in here. I know it's not probably the best way of doing things, but yeah. Oh well. Looking inside, as you can see, it's looking fairly sorry for itself at this moment in time. That seat's actually just sitting there, it's not actually bolted in, but yeah, man, I just miss being in here driving it. It needs a good old clean up. Look at the colour of that. Look, it should be that colour, but the dirt and dust and grime, so I don't know how I'm going to clean that. No idea, but yeah, I'm sure some sort of suede or fabric cleaner will do the trick. And there we have it, guys. That was doing a few little bits on the MX-5 engine bay, just sorting out pretty much the remainder of the brake system. It's pretty much we're good to go. We need to do some hard lines, that sort of thing, but that's where we're at. In terms of at the end, you saw me do the wiper motor. We basically just did a wire kind of tuck around the back of it rather than going across. Makes it a lot neater, so really happy with that. Please bear in mind, guys, this video was a few months ago, so it wasn't filmed with my new camera or microphone. So sorry if the quality was lacking, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.